Welcome to the third video in our Mocky tutorial series. Today, we will show you how to operate lines in the Mocky app to their full potential. There are two variations of lines in Mocky. One is the line shape and the other is the arrow lines of the diagram. First, let's take a look at Mocky line shape. You can find them in the Shapes category in the UI element, or simply search for lines. To use these lines, you can drag them from the left panel and drop them onto the canvas. Then, you can adjust them to your likings. Simply click on the line you want to adjust and look to the right column, which shows all the settings. From here, you can then adjust the line stroke, thickness, and opacity. Of course, you could also change its color to suit your needs and project. Now, let's move on to the arrow lines of the diagram. They are also known as connectors among components in a diagram. Their nature is similar to line shapes, but with more customizations. To access these lines, first go to the diagram category. Next, you can choose any component to draw line shapes, flowcharts, or any other components that support drawing diagrams. Then, you can click on one of the directional triangles around that component to draw these connectors. At first glance, they are indeed similar to the line shape we talked about earlier, but once you adjust them, you will see there are more configurations available. Besides adjusting the stroke and thickness, you can also change the connector's shape and the arrow's head and tail. The reason for such settings is that these lines play an important role in showcasing and visualizing the flowcharts, diagrams, and more. So, with these configurations, you can expect to make stunning designs for Jira and Confluence with these Mocky lines. And that's it for today's video. Remember to stay tuned with us for more Mocky tutorial videos in the series.